The Toyota Pickup Truck FJ45 model 2025 brings a refreshing blend of classic ruggedness with modern engineering. At first glance, the vehicle maintains its iconic retro boxy look, reminiscent of the original FJ series, yet it's infused with updated LED lighting, a bold front grille, and sleek matte finishes that give it a futuristic appeal. The steel body is reinforced for off-road resilience, while new alloy wheels and raised ground clearance emphasize its trail-ready capability. Under the hood, the 2025 FJ45 is powered by a modern turbocharged V6 engine, delivering both torque and fuel efficiency. The powertrain is mated to an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission with a manual shift mode. Its 4x4 drivetrain is supported by locking differentials and crawl control, making it ideal for off-road terrain as well as urban driving. The suspension system uses upgraded multi-link coil springs in the rear and double wishbone in the front, providing a smooth ride and excellent road feedback. On rocky trails, sandy paths, or paved roads, the FJ45 grips confidently, helped by its all-terrain tires and traction control technology. It accelerates smoothly and can reach up to 110 miles per hour, with stable handling even at higher speeds. Inside, the cabin maintains a rugged yet functional design. The dashboard is equipped with a digital analog hybrid cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with voice control and smartphone connectivity. The seats are finished in durable black and tan leatherette, offering both comfort and easy maintenance. Practicality remains key, with ample storage, rubberized floor mats, and optional modular racks for gear. The 2025 Toyota FJ45 pickup stands as a perfect homage to its heritage while adapting to modern expectations of performance, comfort, and design.